Truman does not like Stalin at all, just does not trust him at all, because as World War II comes to a close, Stalin breaks the rules. For example, first in Poland, Stalin refuses to let Poland hold elections to determine if its government will be communist or democratic. He forces it to go communist. That breaks the Declaration of Liberated Europe. In Romania, he pressures the King of Romania to create a communist government. In Truman, he's not going to play games. He comes right out and says, dude, what you're doing is violating a Declaration of Liberated Europe. Truman is totally against communism. And these actions are the real beginning of the Cold War, when Truman says, dude, that's totally not legit. You don't get to do that. And what we see over the course of a couple of years, so for example, like Poland in 1945, Romania in 47, Bulgaria 44, Yugoslavia 46, and so on, you see Stalin pressuring these countries to become communist, countries that were reconquered, not letting them make their own choice. For his part, at a conference in 1945, Truman says Germany's economy needs to be allowed to recover if we're going to keep its people from getting angry at us again and wanting to start World War III. Stalin says that's ridiculous. We should keep them weak and punish them and make them give us reparations for all the suffering that the USSR endured. And it did endure tremendous suffering, far more than we did, that's for sure. So the outcome of that is kind of a combination of both. And so we see Truman's kind of drawing the line. We say to Stalin, okay, you can have some reparations, but what you need to know, Stalin, is that we have a new and unusually destructive weapon. But we don't tell him what it is. We don't tell him it's the atomic bomb. We just say to Stalin, we have a new weapon. You can have some reparations, Stalin, but you ought to just know that we have this new weapon, just to let Stalin know we weren't going to be playing games as World War II comes to a close.